So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the learning, the test, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me load one time. Sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit say I sing, yeah. Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like hello, brother, say I just saw ya. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need about the pass through.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Let's just go in the daily chart and get straight to the point so I can show you guys what I'm looking at. So guys, don't mind these annotations right here because those are for the lower time frames. Yeah, I don't want to delete and then put everything back again, right? So my bias is basically bullish. Here's the daily order block, right? If price goes below this order block, that will invalidate my bias being bullish, right? So right now my bias is still bullish. I'm going for these highs right here. Right there, those are the highs that I'm going for, right? And one thing that ICT has always said in his videos, right, even in the 2022 mentorship and in his live streams, he said that price doesn't need to get here, but price is more likely to draw here, right? Price is more likely to draw here. Now, why is price more likely to draw here? If you can see, guys, price is respecting bullish candles here, right? And it's disrespecting bearish PRAs. That's what I look at. Price is busy disrespecting bearish PRAs. You see this this what's this called, this fair value gap, it got disrespected. It created an inversion gap, and this inversion gap got respected, like to the body. Imagine that, you know. So you can see very that our price is moving up, you know. And then as you can also see, price came down, gave us a change in the state of delivery, created a bearish order block, and then price traded through that order block, right? So if price is breaking bearish PRAs yet respecting bullish PRAs like this one, why would I look for sell side liquidity? Does that make sense? So that's how I find my bias, right? So price is respecting bullish PRAs, right, and disrespecting bearish PRAs. So I'd rather just look for buy side liquidity. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, it's where I look for my market structure, like I said, right? So on the market structure, you can see this intermediate term low, and like I said in the last video, I don't expect these to get broken when my bias is bullish. If this gets broken, I stop trading. That's it, you know. And as you can see, guys, price is doing the things, eh? If this gets broken, right, and then on the 1 hour, I'm sorry for my dog if you guys can hear that. On the 1 hour, you can see that price is respecting this order block cleanly. Price is respecting this 1 hour order block right here, you know. And then you go on the 15-minute. Now, like I said, the 15-minute is the bellwether chart. What does that mean? That means it's where we look for inefficiencies, right, and where we look for liquidity, like ICT said in the 2022 mentorship. So we look for liquidity after London kill zone. Now, where's the nearest liquidity? It's these sell stops right here, right after London kill zone. These sell stops. So you're waiting for price to take out these sell stops, then move lower, then move higher. I mean, so if you guys know power of 3, Judas swing, right? We have accumulation right here. We have the manipulation, and then you have the distribution. You guys can see that, right? And then I'm going to the 5-minute now. On the 5-minute, we have this market structure shift, but is this really decent displacement? I don't think it is. I don't think it's decent displacement, but I don't know if I was trading whether I would have entered this trade or not. So it's something that I'm going to journal right now and see if like it works out more than it doesn't. But I don't think this is decent displacement. But if I had entered, depending on where you put your stops, right, you could have been in a winning trade or in a losing trade. And if you're in a winning trade, this is a nice trade to be in. You know, just look at these. Just look at prices just moving up, you know. So, and guys, I said I'm not trading. Remember, I'm just reading price and just observing. And I'm just observing. And if you had put your stop loss here below this low of the second candle, you would have been stopped out. But if you had put your stop loss below this low, you would have still been in a nice trade. Right? And where would you target? The first target for me would be this right here. And you can see price is going really nice. You know, it could have been a 2-to-1. That's a nice trade. I'm not gonna lie, nice 2-to-1, and yeah, you know. So that's what I'm currently observing. I'm gonna go to the 3-minute time frame to see what's happening on the 3-minute time frame. Right now, look at the 3-minute time frame. The 3-minute time frame, I could have been stopped out. I know I could have been stopped out. Why am I saying this? Because on the 3-minute time frame, I'm actually happy with this displacement here. Right, this could have been the fair value gap I entered on. Right, my stop loss could have been below this low right here, you know, and then my target could be these highs once again, you know. So I could have been stopped out on the 3-minute time frame. That one I know for sure, because look at this displacement, guys. Tell me you wouldn't enter here, you know. So I know maybe if some people traded this, they got stopped out very, very, like it's live, you know. And then price came back, right, and then price gave us another market structure shift here, but didn't really create a fair value gap until here, and it price never traded back to this fair value gap. But I know, guys, I wouldn't trade that. Like, nah, you know, price is even above the midnight opening price. This is the midnight opening price right here, so I wouldn't take entries here, you know. So that's what I'm looking at the why am I stuttering? On the 3-minute time frame. That's what I'm looking at. And yeah.
Okay guys, so I want to reply to just a few of your guys' comments, right? So I'm going to create a section in my YouTube videos where I'm just replying to comments, right? So if you have any comment or any question which you'd love for me to reply to, put it in the comment section and you will get replied. Trust me, bro. Anyways, the first thing that I want to address is people asking me to continue watching the core content, to finish the core content, that it's jam-packed, that it's full of a lot of value, that it's a gold mine. Guys, I'm going to listen to you guys and I'm going to finish the core content, just not now. The first thing that I want to do is that I want to watch this live stream, these live streams right here, last week's live streams, and finish watching them. And then from there on, what I want to do is that I want to finish the 2022 mentorship, then I'll go back to the core content, right? Now the thing with the core content is that for me it was getting way too technical and I couldn't apply most of the things that ICT was teaching on the chart, right? That's the reason I stopped watching the core content. And 2022 mentorship was more practical for me. These live streams are actually very practical for me. Also considering the fact that this price data is not as far as some of the lessons that I've been watching of ICTs, if you get what I mean. Like the 2016 core content, guys. That is 2016's chart. It's not 2016 anymore, you know. So it's very hard for me to try to apply the things that ICT is teaching practically on a static chart, first of all, right? Which with one example that he used in 2016, only one example in 2016, and I have to apply that on my 2024 chart. That's why I stopped watching the 2016 core content, because for me it was just very hard to apply those things practically. Right. The second question I want to reply to is people, I think I was not clear last time when I gave recommendations of ICT videos to watch, and the reason for that I think is I don't think there's a clear path of watching ICT, because I learned everything from everywhere, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I've been watching ICT, my ICT journey has been scattered. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have like a, you know, I learned this from there, this from there, this from there, this from there, and I understand it, guys. ICT has a lot of content, and I was also seeking like some structure with ICT, but there is no structure. But if I were to recommend something to beginners, right, the first thing I'd recommend to beginners is the 20-year-old series and the If I Were to Start All Over series. I think that's the name of the series, right? I'd recommend both of these series first, and then these are not technical. You're not going to get a lot of price action, this and this, but this prepares you for the journey that you're about to embark on. And I feel like these are very valuable and you guys need to watch these first. Trust me. Now, the second thing that I recommend you guys to watch, which is now more technical and very simple, and is what I've been using to like what I've been using in those clips where I'm recording my screen, my laptop screen, right? Like most of the stuff that I used there comes from this playlist right here, and it is the Market Maker Primer, right? The Market Maker Primer has market structure. It has, you know, the intermediate time highs and lows. It's there, guys. You know, it has the Judah swing. It's there. It has the power of three. It's there. It has what happens in the London kill zone, New York kill zone, Asian kill zone, London close. Guys, they're all there, guys. They're all there, right? And that's like the basics of ICT. This comment, ne? This one right here. Let me just, this one, right? Bro, I said in that video that you commented on that I am currently just reading price. I am not live trading. I am not even demo trading. I am just reading price. That's what I said.
So guys, I'm currently reading price right now. I'm not live trading. I'm not demo trading. I'm just on my charts and I'm reading and I'm studying and I'm seeing whether the things that ICT talks about repeats.
Where are you gonna get a 6-month piano from that? Where are you gonna get a 6-month piano from that? I literally said that in the video, bro. I don't understand how you asked me for a 6-month piano when I said in the video that I am not trading, I'm not demo trading, I am just reading price. You're not even gonna get a 6-month demo piano, bro. You know, another thing that I'm gonna say, guys, I'm not selling a course, I'm not selling a signal, I'm not planning on selling a course or a signal, right? Why would you guys want a 6-month piano from me? You know, if I want to keep my trading private, I have the right to, because I'm not selling any service. I have the right to. If I want to keep the monetary side of my trading private, I have the right to. I don't owe you guys a 6-month piano. I don't owe you guys what's this called? I don't owe you guys like any results, to be honest. Because I just want to share my journey to inspire, but I don't owe you guys any results. The only reason I'd give you guys results is to inspire or set realistic expectations of what you should expect from your results. That's it. That's the only reason. But why would I show you 6-month P&Ls, dog? I never claim that I'm profitable. And here's the thing, guys, right? Right now, I'm telling you guys that I am not profitable, right? And I'm not embarrassed to do it. And I'm not showing you guys any lifestyle. I'm telling you guys, I'm being real with you guys. Why would I lie to you guys when I am? You know, why would I lie to you guys when I am? So if I say, guys, I am now profitable, why would I lie to you guys? You know, because I'm telling you guys now that I am not. You know, I'm telling you guys that I'm still reading price action. I'm telling you guys that I'm not even trading live. You know, I'm just reading price action. That's what I'm doing right now, you know. So my guy, I have a right to keep my trading private. That's the first thing that I'm gonna say. I have a right to keep my trading private. But I don't have a 6-month P&L to show you either.
Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
Okay guys, I'm about to go watch the ICT's live stream. I'm not really going to shoot clips of me watching ICT because I just want to be focused and locked in. So I'm just going to go charge my phone in my father's room, and then I'm just going to remove the distraction so I can fully focus on ICT and just diligently take notes. And that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'll see you guys when it's time to go to the gym. Okay guys, I'm back from the gym. Now I am going to watch more ICT and that will be the end of my day. And I'm going to read a book by Steve Biko. entitled I Write What I Like, you know. My mother always wanted me to read that book, so I am going to do it now, right? I was really hesitant at first, but I read the first page and it was really, really dope. If you guys have time to read it, here's the first page, and then from there on, that is the end of my day.